Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll be learning about how to share analysis and the different three types of analysis sharing. There is the private analysis sharing, public analysis sharing, and shared analysis sharing. So let's learn about them. Let's go to our Tibco Cloud Spotfire. Over here, as you can see, I've come to my home area and I have a file named public. Now, one important thing you need to know is that you can work around over here by double clicking on a file. When you double click on a file, it opens your analysis. So right now, let's look at my analysis. And right over here is my analysis regarding the gender, rate per age, and average rate per gender. So what I might want to do right now is to share this. So I'll go to file, I'll go to share, and I have the option to copy the link and share to Twitter. This is one way to share our data. Another way to share our data is to go to our Spotfire. Over here we have our file. When we right click on our file, we have the option to copy the link, to copy the file, and we also have options of properties, and the basic sharing option is to copy the link. Another thing that you can do is go back to your home and select your public file by right clicking it and go to the sharing option. When you go to the sharing option, you have three main options. There's a private one, which is only available to you. There is the public option, which is available to everyone who has the link. So basically, if you have the link, you can, even from your mobile device, access my analysis and look at it. This is not the safest way to share your data. Of course, it can be corrupted. And then there's the option of sharing it to specified users, where you can enter your email and also send a message. So after you enter the email and send a message and save it, a message is sent to email and the file is shared to everyone whose emails have been entered over here. So these are the three different types of analysis sharing. There's the private one where you keep it to yourself. There's the public one, which is available to everyone who has a link. And then there's the shared one, which can be sent through email. So I hope you've understood how our Tibco Cloud Spotfire works. And I hope to see you in the next lesson as well.